Welcome to our lecture online. A famous equation in physics is 1 over r equals 1 over r1 plus 1 over r2. And in this case, they want us to solve that equation for r. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to put a little circle around the variable we're looking for. But in that case, it's already isolated on the left side. It simply needs to go from the denominator to the numerator. We simply need to flip over the left side and the same to the right side. But of course, since we have two fractions on the right side, we first must write this over a common denominator. Since the common denominator is r1 times r2, I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom on the left side here by r2. And then over here, I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by r1. Notice there's now a common denominator of r1 times r2. So this on the right side can be written as follows. 1 over r on the left side equals, we have a common denominator of r1 times r2, and here we have 1 times r2 plus 1 times r1. And so now we're ready to flip the fraction over. Again, here we probably want to write r1 plus r2, which rolls off the tongue a little bit better, but since we take the inverse of both fractions, we're going to have r over 1 is equal to r1 r2 divided by r2 plus r1. And now we can simply get rid of the 1 here, and we can reverse order these, and this becomes r is equal to r1 r2 divided by r1 plus r2. And there it is. That's the result of r. And in other words, r is now equal to the product divided by the sum of the other two variables, r1 and r2. And that is how we solve for r.